wind is strong and the waves mighty. Operating in treacherous conditions like these is challenging. But the reward is the enormous power of the wind. In the waters of Solway Firth, Scotland's largest offshore wind power plant, and one of the most substantial operations in the UK, is developed. The E.ON Group, one of UK's leading utility companies, is now harnessing this generous power by operating the 180-megawatt Robin Rigg power plant.
Bones, is it possible for you to pull a little more in your rope?
With decades of experience transforming raw power into sustainable wind energy, Vestas was the natural choice to install Robin Rigg. Since 1990, we have gained distinctive knowledge building successful offshore wind power plants in locations worldwide. The European offshore wind market was pioneered by Vestas, and today we stand ready to help meet global energy demands, leveraging our extensive knowledge and commitment to wind. Building an offshore wind power plant is a complicated process. The installation vessel is carefully maneuvered into place using dynamic positioning. Prior to the installation of the monopile foundation, an extensive analysis of the site conditions is conducted. This is essential in order to custom design components
Deck height is 19 meters.
able to withstand harsh conditions at sea for each specific site. In order to meet installation deadlines and to make the most of the calm weather, every detail must be precisely considered. Experienced Vestas crews work in 12-hour shifts to take full advantage of available time and favorable weather conditions.
Craning right at the same time.
The heavy lift crane lowers the 61.4-meter tower section into place, requiring the crew's concentration to be high.
Step hook, step hook.
The crane is now balancing 150 tons with pinpoint precision. Our attentive crew members then secure the tower to the foundation with high-strength bolts. Accuracy is paramount. There can be no mistakes in the middle of the sea. These structures must be able to withstand any storm. The harsh environment requires careful risk management for every installation. Protecting our employees is the most critical element in any project. Here at the training facility, the crew trains to be prepared for any situation. At Vestas, safety is first. Each of our employees must return safely to his family. At the site, the installation phase is now almost complete.
Slowly down on the hook, slowly down on the hook.
At Vestas, we have developed a new logistics plan to transport components to the offshore site by utilizing a feeder vessel.
Okay, Fleming, slowly up on the hook, slowly up on the hook.
However, the 9 meters of difference between flood and ebb tides in Solway Firth periodically hinders the feeder vessel from approaching the installation vessel.
More speed, more speed.
The professional crew has been trained for this occurrence as well. A successful transfer and installation is all part of a day's work.
Let me know when the nacelle is up over the tower.
The lifting supervisor relies on his colleagues for guidance during final installation of the nacelle. The people of Vestas again demonstrate the art of precision.
Up on the small hook.
Available time is critical, so the work continues all day and all night. Precision and experience are key factors when installing the individual blades of 44 meters. With a rotor diameter of 90 meters, equivalent to the length of a soccer field, each blade is cautiously lifted into place. In the nacelle, the energy of the wind is converted into electricity at a level of 33,000 volts. Vestas designs a detailed grid system to transport the electricity from the turbines out at sea to the national power grid. The 63 megawatt turbines are now producing 180 megawatts of clean, renewable energy. Just imagine 120,000 homes, all running on energy from the wind, completely carbon dioxide free. Now that the Rigg wind farm is producing electricity, Vestas will continue to offer proactive service and maintenance. Because of the 24/7 live monitoring, service visits are kept to a minimum, keeping productivity to a maximum. The employees of Vestas are committed to providing a reliable source of available energy to all customers. With unmatched experience and know-how, each Vestas Offshore power plant project is designed for the geographic conditions of the particular offshore site. Vestas transforms the raw offshore wind into clean, reliable, and predictable energy. We deliver the promise of wind power today. Wind, it means the world to us.